Good day everyone! We're going to make cocoa brownies. I-combine ng flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking soda. In another bowl, i-cream yung butter and sugar. Ang brownie recipes na gumagamit ng creaming method ay more of a cakey brownie than fudgy brownies. But since mag-a-add tayo ng glucose, hindi siya magiging ganun ka-cakey tulad ng ibang cakey brownie recipes po. Kung gusto nyo na mas fudgy yung brownies pero hindi ganun ka-dense, pwede rin pong gamitin yung recipe na to. Same recipe and procedure lang po. Ang difference lang is gumamit po kayo ng melted butter. Then, i-add yung eggs. Vanilla. And glucose. For those na hindi familiar sa glucose, ang glucose po will make your baked goodies extra chewy. This one is less than 100 pesos lang and madami na siyang pwedeng paggamitan. And I'll be sharing din po some recipes na may glucose sa description box. Back to our brownies po, then mix until well combined. And then add the dry ingredients or the cocoa flour mixture. I'm using rubber scraper instead na mixer para ma-avoid ang overmixing. Ang overmixing kasi is nakakatigas ng brownies and other baked goodies po. And then add walnuts. Then transfer in a greased and lined baking pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 300 degree Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until done. Do not overbake. This is optional. Pinipress ko siya ng cake smoother para maging somehow pantay siya. Pwede rin kayong magdagdag ng iba't ibang toppings sa recipe na to. I'll be sharing some sa end ng video.